Hi children, from the third lesson we learn about the Sultanate period. In the Sultanate period there were five dynasties. Among that we have already studied about the slave dynasty and the Khalji dynasty. Today we are going to learn about the Tughlaq dynasty. The Tughlaq dynasty was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. He was the founder of the Tughlaq dynasty and he reformed the police and judiciary department and he reduced the land tax to 1/10 of the produce. But he was killed while returning from a military campaign against Bengal. So, the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq founded the Tughlaq dynasty and his reforms were he reduced the tax to 1/10 of the produce, and not only that he reformed the police and the judiciary department of the empire. Then after that his son Muhammad bin Tughlaq became the next emperor. He was well educated and he was a scholar of mathematics, philosophy, astronomy, logic, medicine and physical science. But all his qualities failed him in practical life. Even though he was a well educated and he had knowledge, but these all qualities उसमें काम में नहीं आया. In practical life में he failed because he made some unpopular decisions. Now we are going to see the decisions which taken by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. First one, he decided to transfer his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Devagiri means Daulatabad. The first decision was transfer the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. So उसने ये सोचा because of the expansion of his empire and the Delhi was invaded by Mongols repeatedly. So उसने क्यों ये decision लिया? क्योंकि उसका empire expansion करने के लिए दिल्ली से अच्छा दौलताबाद अच्छा है ये सोचा. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट मंगोल्स बार बार आके दिल्ली अटैक करते. सो उसने सोचा ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे कैपिटल को. इट वॉज ए अनपॉपुलर डिसीजन. ये फेल हो गया. देन ये फेल हो गया. रीज़न यही है दिल्ली. बट द फॉली वॉज दैट ऑल द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिल्ली वुड ऑल्सो बी शिफ्टेड. इट वॉज एन अनवाइज स्टेप. सिर्फ दिल्ली कैपिटल चेंज करने से साथ साथ पूरे पॉपुलेशन को भी चेंज करना था. ये अनवाइज स्टेप था. सेकेंडली ही ऑर्डर्ड टू इश्यू कॉपर कॉइन हैविंग सेम लीगल वैल्यू ऑफ गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर कॉइन. सेकेंड डिसीजन है ये सेम वैल्यू गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर कॉइन का उतना ही वैल्यू में उन्होंने कॉपर कॉइन इश्यू किया. व्हाट हैपन, द गोल्ड स्मिथ अपने घर में भी ये कॉपर कॉइन बहुत सारा बनाना चालू किया विदाउट एनी कंट्रोल. ऐसा ये कोई कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते उतना कॉइन्स बनाया. दिस ऑल्सो वाज फेल्ड. thirdly he raised the land tax in दोब that was suffering from drought at that time. जब दोब का टैक्स इंक्रीज़ किया वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी फार्मर्स बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहे थे. बारिश नहीं होने की वजह से बराबर उधर प्रोडक्शन नहीं, एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन नहीं हुआ. उस समय में उन्होंने टैक्स बढ़ाया. दिस ऑल्सो वाज फेल्ड. एंड when Sultan came to know the reality, he established a new department of agriculture to improve the production. सुल्तान को जब पता चला कि ये यहाँ पे बराबर एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन नहीं हुआ तो उसने एक अलग एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट वगैरह बनाया टू इम्प्रूव द प्रोडक्शन. And fourth decision, he imposed jizya on the Brahmins to please the Orthodox ulemas. Fourth decision was that imposed special tax on non-Muslim, स्पेशली ऑन ब्राह्मण्स. ब्राह्मण्स के ऊपर एक अलग से टैक्स उसने इम्पोज किया. सो ये भी डिसीजन अनपॉपुलर है. पीपल फेल्ट डिसकंटेंट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस डिसीजंस. The next emperor of this dynasty was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. He was the cousin of Muhammad bin Tughlaq and he introduced new welfare schemes वेलफेयर स्कीम उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया, उसमें जैसा रेस्ट हाउस बनाना, चैरिटी डिपार्टमेंट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट ब्यूरोस, ये सब ऐसा करके न्यू वेलफेयर स्कीम्स ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. And he was an ideal ruler, and after his death his successors were not capable to control the sultanate. Then उसके बाद में सैयद डायनास्टी आ गया. सैयद डायनास्टी was founded by Kisar Khan. Actually this Kisar Khan was the governor of Multan, and he defeated Daulat Khan and founded the Sayyid dynasty. And the last ruler of the Sayyid dynasty was Alauddin Alam Shah, and he was defeated by Balul Lodi. Then Balul Lodi founded Lodi dynasty. He brought peace and order by his administration. He died in 1488 and was succeeded by his son Sikandar Lodi. जैसा Balul Lodi founded the Lodi dynasty, and after he died in 1488, and after that Sikandar Lodi became the next emperor. Sikandar Lodi, his real name was Nizam Shah. He is regarded as the greatest ruler of Lodi dynasty. He was a good administrator and founded the city of Agra and made it headquarters of his army. He expanded his empire from Punjab to Bihar. He died in 1517. So after Balul Lodi, his son Sikandar Lodi became the next emperor. He was a good administrator, and he not only that he founded the city of Agra as a military army headquarters, and he died. Then next emperor was Ibrahim Lodi. He was the last king of Delhi Sultanate. He was the son of Sikandar लोधी. ड्यू टू हिज इल टेम्पर्ड नेचर, उसका जो जल्दी जो टेम्पर होने का नेचर की वजह से ही लॉस्ट द सिंपैथी ऑफ रिलेटिव्स एंड नोबल्स. There were so many revolt due to the division of Afghans. The Sultanate weakened. In 1926, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the Battle of Panipat. Babur founded the new dynasty. So Babur came and he defeated the Ibrahim Lodi in the Battle of Panipat and founded the Mughal Empire, Mughal dynasty in Delhi. Causes of the revolt of the Delhi Sultanate. Some of the causes of downfall of Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate downfall होने का reason. First one, Delhi Sultans conquered Delhi by their armies but failed to win the confidence and love of the natives. आर्मी से उन्होंने दिल्ली कैप्चर किया, लेकिन वो लोगों का कॉन्फिडेंस विन करने में फेल हो गया. वो एक रीज़न है. सेकंड रीज़न, दे इम्पोज्ड जासिया टैक्स, मीन्स हिंदू के ऊपर स्पेशल टैक्स लगाया, इसलिए हिंदूस उनका एनिमी हो गया. एंड नेक्स्ट रीज़न, द रिवाइवल ऑफ जागीरदारी सिस्टम बाई फिरोज शाह तुगलक वाज एन इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर. एक अनदर फैक्टर है, जागीरदारी सिस्टम उन्होंने फिर इम्पोज किया, वो एक रीज़न है उसका फेल होने का. देन नेक्स्ट रीज़न है आर्मीज, द पावरफुल अमीर्स एंड नोबल्स वेयर कॉजेस ऑफ डाउनफॉल. पावरफुल नोबल्स को ज़्यादा पावर दिया, अमीर्स एंड नोबल्स को, ये इनका डायनास्टी दिल्ली सुल्तानेट फेल होने का एक रीज़न है. Then the vast and enlarged empire could not be controlled due to lack of means of communication. The empire बहुत बड़ा था, large थे, so they were not able to control in a proper way. Means of communication उतना नहीं थे उस समय में, तो ये कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया. वो एक सुल्तानेट पीरियड का डाउनफॉल की रीज़न है. Then last reason is that Babur came. Babur's invention on disintegrated sultanate was the final blow to its downfall. Babur came to India and he defeated the Ibrahim Lodi and he founded the Mughal Empire in India. Okay, thank you.